The government has increased the price of petrol by 5.44 rupees per litre and high speed diesel by 31.05 rupees per litre. Following the hike, petrol now costs 316.15 rupees per litre, while high speed diesel is priced at 354.35 rupees per litre. According to the Petroleum Division, the new prices will take effect from Saturday, July 18th. Earlier, Petroleum Minister Ali Pervez Malik announced that fuel prices will now be set on a daily basis due to fluctuations in international market prices following renewed hostilities between Iran and the United States. Since early March, the government had been revising fuel prices weekly while also introducing fuel conservation measures amid possible oil supply disruptions linked to the ongoing Middle East conflict. In April, the federal government also announced targeted relief measures to provide subsidized fuel. The minister said the cabinet and the prime minister have assigned the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority or OGRA the responsibility of determining fuel prices daily based on international market trends. He also said OGRA will publish both the fuel rates and the factors used to determine the prices at petrol pumps.
ओगरा को अब से ये जिम्मेदारी दी जाएगी कि रोज़ाना की बिना के ऊपर वो कीमतों का बैनुल-अक़वामी मंडी के लिहाज से फ़ैसला करे और ना सिर्फ फ्लैट्स का वो रेट जिसके मुताबिक दुनिया के अंदर कीमतें तय की जाती हैं वो अपनी वेबसाइट के ऊपर शाया करे, पर इसके साथ साथ उस कीमत का जो आपके और हमारे लिए हर पेट्रोल पंप के ऊपर नज़र आती है, उसके पीछे वो कौन कौन से अंसर हैं जिनसे वो कीमत को बनाया जाता है, वो भी ओगरा को कहा गया है कि आवाम के सामने पब्लिश करा करे ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि ये कितना नागुज़ीर है कि हम इस मामले को आगे शफाफियत के साथ लेके चलें.
Petrol is mainly used in private transport, small vehicles, rickshaws, and motorcycles, making price changes significant for the middle and lower middle classes. High speed diesel is primarily used in heavy transport, power plants, and large generators, so changes in its price also affect the wider public. Petrol and high speed diesel remain the country's biggest petroleum revenue earners, with monthly sales of around 700,000 to 800,000 tons, compared with about 10,000 tons of monthly demand for kerosene. For more on this, read the full on story link in the description.